Hey guys, so in Washington in the wintertime, it's kind of cold and you don't really want to do anything. At least that's my experience, is it's hard to get out and go outside much. So one thing sometimes I like to do is right by my Lowell Riverfront Park. And they've expanded it quite a bit to the river flood overflow. So this trail goes all the way out to that. And then you got the river here. So it's kind of a nice walk to get bundled. And then look at the river as you go out on the trail. So it's just something that I like to do to get out and get a little bit of exercise, and it's pretty to look at. Lowell Riverfront Park. Have a great day.